day, investors. Welcome to Investdata Consulting Limited. My name is Vivian. I'm your host. Let's look at NGX, technical overview as we drive in. Welcome to your midweek equity spotlight. Today, we deliver a comprehensive technical analysis of the Initiates P, a premier Nigerian environmental and waste management giant showing an elite structural profile. Currently trading at 31 naira per share, the counter carries an authoritative buy rating. Technical chart projections point to a major upside target at 49 naira, with long-term extensions reaching 62 naira. Analyzing the long-term cycle through Elliott wave theory, the weekly chart shows the stock navigating an early corrective phase. The asset is expected to find a rock-solid floor at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement line. This macro retracement layout establishes a highly dependable, low-risk long-term investment floor for institutional accounts, located firmly between 23 and 26 naira. On the daily timeline, the ticker has successfully completed its wave A and B corrections. Merging a descending triangle framework with Fibonacci parameters, the asset is now carving out its final flat ABC structure. This daily structural convergence reveals an optimal near-term entry window between 24 and 28 naira, positioning selective traders to capture up to a massive 100% gain. Weekly indicators reveal that recent downward ticks are merely standard profit-taking rather than capital flight. Both market liquidity and momentum remain exceptionally robust, backed by an active MACD bullish divergence. Crucially, this textbook chart setup is validated by immaculate fundamental strength. The company's 2025 financial report scores a perfect 100% financial rating, making it a flawless long-term play. Unlock hidden microcap value plays before institutional accumulation triggers the next massive bull run. Join our virtual Q3 masterclass on June 27th via Zoom. Text yes or stocks to the numbers on your screen now. For more updates on the NGX technical overview, visit our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Drop a comment, like and share so that you don't miss out.